Yeah, cooking posho. Sometimes fire can disturb, yeah, so you have to do it manually instead of waiting wind to make the fire light up very well. You use what? You use something to blow the wind so that the fire is on. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I think it's ready. Yeah. Well, you will be next time. Eh? If you disturb me, you will be eaten by now. They are afraid to be eaten. So, what's my next thing? Yeah, now sauce is next. This ready. Ooh. Yeah, now it's time to prepare sauce. So this is dodo. Dodo is just greens grown, some planted and some grow just by their own, so it has water inside. But washing it, let's put here on charcoal. Yeah. Some cooking oil. Yes, life in Africa is so nice, you know. Yeah. For me, it's so nice for me because I get a chance to do everything by my own, you know, trying to be the woman and the man. Trust me, this life is so good. Let me first take back this. I come with yours. This, you see, to blow up the charcoal so that it gets yeah, like this, you see. So not only greens, I have some beans here. Yeah, have some beans here, like for, I have to warm it because yeah, it was for yesterday. So after we warm it too, and then yeah, it makes a good meal for the day. Yeah, so thank you guys. Yeah, it's Positano Trudy, your vlogger from Uganda. So I'm so happy to vlog about today my lifestyle, just my lifestyle, home cooking. Yeah, it's so nice, it's so pretty cool. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, view, share, like, you know, I'm a content creator who brings for you content all over Africa. Yeah, just content, just enjoy my videos. Yeah, you know, it's not easy, but we push up. Yeah, so today I've cooked something resembling ugali, but ugali is not actually like this. Ugali is different from our Ugandan ugali. These chickens are making noise. You, I will put you in this saucepan. So what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, today is just my daily life vlog, you know. Just home cooking, yeah, being cool. See my hair. Yeah, this is another lifestyle from Africa. African lifestyle hair. Yeah. Let me bring some salt. Salt. What was it? These chickens. Hey! Yeah. Yeah. Now ready. You know, it was easier for me today to mingle that posho. Reason why, I was lighting up the stove as water is boiling on the percolator. Yeah, so I just got flour and put in a saucepan, and I put here, I just put here, and then I brought water that I put in the percolator and brought it. So I just, water was boiled on the percolator. But if you're going to boil water on the charcoal stove, it will take you a long time, and I'm really hungry. Let me bring for you some sample of my posho. Sure? Yeah. It's really nice posho. It's white in color. It's so good. Yeah, as you see, my sauce is boiling. Ooh. Today is a brand new day. It's a good day for me. Boiling, it's boiling. It's hot, but yeah. Now it's time to go and eat.